Hi, welcome to my tutorial on thread painting. Just a quick little one to show you how we can fill in a space that we need to make more prominent. So we start on the outline. There was a quick pass underneath, but it wasn't deep enough, so I've ignored that. And we're just going to do the outline again and come back to the bottom of that point. And we're going to do an up and down motion all the way to the top. Not too close together, not too far apart, just doesn't matter if there's a tiny space there because you'll catch it on the way down. So that's one pass. And then we're going to come down and that will give us a second pass, and each time we pass it gets a bit darker. When we get down to this point again, we start coming up the other side with the first pass. Gently does it. There's no right way or wrong way, it's just up and down. And then we start coming back down for the second pass. And each time we make a pass it gets darker. When you come down, it'll automatically fill in the hole. It's very much like an embroidery machine. Then we come to that point. Now I've reorientated my hand so I can grab the quilt a little bit to go from left to right, because I do not want to turn the quilt. And I gently just doing the same motion but sideways. And I'm going to do this right up until we get to the top of that point. So gently does it. And then we start going up and down just on one side. So we've given one pass to the bottom sidewards and we're going to the top part of the V with the next one pass, and now we're going to come back down with the second pass. We get to the top of that V, we go up and down on this one. So each time we do it, it gets a little bit darker. So we've now come up with the first pass side to side here, and we're going to come down with the second one. And then we're going to continue right the way across again till we get back to our point. And that will mean we've done 4 passes. So then we only need to do a quick run round the outline and we're done.